At the National Inventors Hall of Fame, we believe every child can invent. Thanks to our many partners, our education programs guide young innovators to unlock their potential. For 30 years, the Camp Invention program has reached children across the country. Our education experts develop new curricula each year, infusing lessons from world-changing inductees into hands-on activities. At our headquarters, we pack and ship everything it takes to bring our programs to life for children and educators. Throughout their week in person at Camp Invention, children experience 4 learning sessions led by certified local educators. Each morning, children team up for 2 exciting sessions where they investigate real-world problems and overcome challenges. Next, they fuel up with lunch and enjoy outdoor games. The afternoon brings 2 more sessions where children create and test prototypes and celebrate their success. Research shows just 1 week of Camp Invention results in statistically significant short-term and long-term improvements in creativity, collaboration, and problem-solving skills. We rapidly adapted our programming in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. To bring the magic of camp to as many children as possible, we reinvented our product, offering to provide at-home program options. Camp Invention Connect reinvents summer camp by delivering 4 activity kits packed full of materials directly to each participant. Each day begins with an optional online kickoff where coaches offer live instruction and get campers excited to innovate. Then it's time to unplug and get creative. Children go outdoors, get active, and stretch their imaginations to complete the day's challenges. In the afternoon, coaches offer online collaboration sessions where children can ask questions and share their big ideas. Children can keep modifying what they've created, so when the program week ends, the fun continues. This summer, Camp Invention and Camp Invention Connect are helping children become confident creators and build skills that will last a lifetime.